Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. And welcome to Challenge Lock Wednesday. But I'm not doing Challenge Lock today. I'm going to have a go of the reverse pick for Paul challenge. Seen quite a few people do it. Thought I'd give it a go. I'm going to use this kick cylinder, which is a cutaway. Well, I made it into a cutaway. And I filled it full of security pins, as it just came with stock. It does work. There we go. Looks absolutely fine. There's a bit in. Not too bad. This should be interesting. I mean, we've done the vice versa challenge, but the reverse challenge, this should be quite amusing. I also hope everybody's doing well today. We've gone back to being a couple of nice, well, the weather warmed up a little bit and now it's come back to being miserable again. I've not got to use, funny enough, I always use this side of the pry bar. Never really get to use this side. Finally actually get to use it though, with this reverse pick. We're in there, nice. Right, I've got, let's have a look. I'm going to use a Wes picked hook that he sent me. I'll click off 2. Another 1. So look one on. Oh, we've got a little bit of fault set. I don't know, it feels like I'm just changed picks over. Look at that. There we go, getting a little bit of counter. So we've got to give it a little wiggle to get it to set. Oh, we've got a deeper fault set now. Now I have picked this lot before, ages and ages ago when I first made it, and I put the security pins in for a tutorial. I've not touched it since, so backwards is even stranger. Something's not. Ooh, it jumped as it. Oh no, still got the fault set. Thought I lost the whole thing then. I think I got manually set. I'm gonna lose that tension wrench again. No, we got it. I'm gonna have to manually drop that pin in. I think. Oh, got another little turn of the core there. Oh, there we are, we're open. Wow. That felt really, really strange. Can lock this back up. I don't know if you can see, but we don't need to gut it. And I'll tell you why. So let's do it if it was in that way. We have a spool, steel spool. We have a serrated key pin. Let's put the key in the other side. Yeah, might get a better view when they're all level. There we go. So we have a serrated in 2. Some nice serrations. We've got a It's a thingy spool. It's a beveled spool where it tapers in. And you get the spool at the end. We've got a stock in 4, and we have a steel spool in 5. All the key pins are standard, but then if we face it this way, obviously with it this way, it would be a spool, stock, tapered spool, serrated, and another spool. That's the reason I never didn't gut it, because as you can see, it's all standard, except for the drivers. But yeah, that was fun. I don't know if it counted or not. If it doesn't, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It's not a problem. With me, it was more, I just wanted to do it for a bit of fun because everyone else was having a go. But I enjoyed that. That was a strange one. And I'm thinking of bringing the Vice Versa challenge back for a 3rd time for that giveaway I was going to do. But I think I'm going to make it a little bit more difficult. As most of you seasoned pickers have had a go at doing it. And there is a few of you, there's a lot of new pickers out there now who've not done it, and I'd really like to see them do it. The last time we did it, I felt sorry for Mr. it was Bearsback, yep. He had the most hard time picking completely opposite, but it was a great video to watch. But I'm just going to muller on it and think what I need to do for it, make it more interesting. And it seems like a lot of people liked it. But yeah, so Paul, mate, I hope that was, I don't know if I missed anything out on there, I needed to do anything else, but if I didn't, it's fine, mate. I just wanted to participate and have a bit of fun. But thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.